Today we will learn how to create folder in Stata. So let's go how you can do this. Firstly, we have to open the Windows, then new do file for editor. So you can see here a do file editor. One important thing, so you need to create a folder here. So create folder, just will keep this and the first to create the CD. That's mean file direction. We are creating the file direction by writing the syntax CD. Okay. Before that, you can write clean CLS, that's clean. Now one by one we will write everything. So before that we need to save this form. Okay, folder. Okay, I will save this in the downloads. You can see from here. Okay, then what you will do, we will write here the data okay. Now if we run this, what actually happened, we will see this. Sorry, you can run in this way, or you can run by pressing Ctrl and D together. So you can see here that a data file folder has been created here. So again you can see mkdir data. Now you can run Ctrl D. What happens? You can see here something wrong, that could not create directory data. What actually happened? I will say this. I will say you what actually happened. So we will run this individually. Okay, you can see here the clean data folder has been created. But if we run all together, it is not working. What is the problem? So the error message is could not create directory data. So what does mean by this? So to avoid these types of problems, we will write here shell, just shell. Okay, now you can save this and run again. You can see this here, it is working now. Okay, then we can write shell pumpkin, something like that. You can write down here Ctrl D, Ctrl D. It is not working because I didn't write mkdir. So I have to write mkdir. Next, Ctrl D. Okay, you can see here that pumpkin um, has been created. So thus we can create a folder uh, using the shell mkdir codes in the Stata. So let's see how actually we can keep the data file and pull the data file from there, and how actually Stata work at the time. So I have already done a do file, so I will take you to see this. So I need to enlarge this. So you can see here many things. So firstly I have used cd, that's mean file directory, then shell mkdir, that's mean I have created the data folder, then global data, that's mean if I want to export any data and import any data from there, so we can use the global data. I will take you to see this later. So similarly I have produced the report, clean data and mother file. Okay, after creating this and keeping the directory, I have imported the data file. You can see this. Then here you can see that merge file. I have merged this data set. I have merged this data set. After dropping the unnecessary variables, I just merge the data set with the mother inline file. So this file is in mother. So let's see why is this. You can see here assessment question, that means our directory will be up to assessment question. Here you can see that assessment question, so our directory will be up to assessment question. Okay, then mother. Okay, merge. You can see here I have merged this file with the mother inline. So let's go to see this mother inline. So mother inline is in mother file, mother folder. Okay, so to link with this folder, we have to use the $sign as a global directory. Okay, now we'll see another things. I have to save a particular set of data in the folder that I already created. Okay, write down the save, then $sign, then clean data. That's when I want to save this assessment IVR data set in the clean data. You can see here that clean data is assessment IVR clean data. So if we run this, suppose we will delete this and run this now, what actually happened, we will see this. So we don't have anything in the assessment question. So now you can see that the assessment type here is in here now. So I think we have learned new things today. So thank you so much for watching this video. Again we will come back with new videos. Bye.